Good morning, my dear. Look what I have. I have scraps and samples of carpet fabrics from 3 sources. This is all saved from ending up in a landfill. Found it near carpet shops in Fethiye. I propose to process all this into the desired product. Now in the frame are all the resources that I have today. That's why I shoot on the balcony. I wonder if it is firmly glued. Very durable. We run to the sewing table. I will leave the lawn trimmings to put in those places for which I will not select a sample of factory cutting. I will extract pieces of carpet fabric using a flathead, screwdriver and a knife. The process is going well. Now I'll tear them all off. Ready. Here are all our pieces. I collect the canvas in a creative manner. I did it. Look at this hole. I couldn't decide how to close it. I have these threads in my stash. They are very durable and thick. Ideal for our project. Attention! This product must be strong and durable. Therefore, you cannot use tape or silicone glue. Stitch, just stitch. Let's choose a direction of work. From here, we will sew to that corner. I show how I will connect them. I cut the thread the needle into the big hub and make sure to make a big knot. So we need to connect the pieces end to end like this. I put it face to face. The first stitch is straight. I pierce one piece of fabric from the inside out and remove the needle between the pieces. The second stitch is strictly opposite, but in the opposite direction. I'm delaying. This stitch will prevent the pieces from moving relative to either. I continue to sew in the same way. But I make each subsequent stitch 1 centimeter from the previous one. I tighten the threads after each stitch. I fasten the thread and cut it off. Look what happened. Strength test. This result suits me. Intermediate stage. It is convenient to sew with such blocks. All that remains is to connect the blocks into a single canvas. I also noticed that there were missing pieces from this edge and from that. A moment of intrigue. I finished the carpet, but I still have a few pieces left. I collect additional decor from them. You need a canvas with one angle of 90 degrees and the cut should come to knot. The corner is ready. It was designed for this location. And now the result. I'm just delighted, but I don't like this angle. Let's remake it. I left this piece. Do we cut it off? Let's cut it off. We replace it. And voila, all is ready. This touch changed the entire product. I recommend not passing by catalogs with samples of carpet fabrics. In the description, I have included links to shops offering handmade products that provide employment for Turkish women. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it. Good luck with your sewing. Bye for now.